We're going to an abandoned school and have a huge blast there. We're not going to touch fire sprinklers, pull the fire alarm, turn on any faucets or flush anything. And if you find any floods in the building, let us know.
There's leaking ceilings, a weird fire sprinkler, chalk broken, a big mess, and sink full of Jarvis, how about we blow up the speakers by playing Demdali? This is the music room. This is pretty cool. What does the gym look like? A lot of dust, spider webs, broken objects, and a theater curtain open, including a broken basketball. There's a theater for concerts and instrument, or choir, and lots more. This better be the kitchen. This is or isn't abandoned, but it's both. I guess it's a new school. After I spade that fire extinguisher, we saw in the library, and what's in there including a broken books, 3D projects, signs, tables, a broken TV, and an untouched computer containing a keyboard and chair with table off of it. We should visit the computer lab.
Okay, we're out of the premises, and now we want to know who caused the fire alarm to go off.
I guess that the dust all over the place might have caused the smoke detectors to turn the fire alarm on. I'll turn the fire alarm off. Let's play with this microphone I found. That's enough with these holy noises. On Christmas Day, we won't post any videos until the 26th to 30th.